dire situation ostensibly forcing President William Ruto to single out and explain the only problem that has given him sleepless nights.
And that is what has hidden my head for the last 1 year. Because if you are collecting, if for every 10 shillings you collect, 7 shillings unaenda kulipa madeni, there is a problem, isn't it? Yes, because then you are left with 3 shillings. Kulipa mshahara, kulipa counties, kuendesha kufanya maendeleo sijui utafanya namna gani, 3 shillings. My intention is that we should bring it, we should flip it. We should be using 3 shillings to pay debt and 7 shillings to endesha Kenya.
When I get money from KRA, first I give priority to payment of debt as first charge. Then the next one that we prioritize at Treasury is that we pay salaries. Yeah, because we need our public servants not to be late in getting their salaries. And it's not just salaries. There are other costs that we need to meet in order to keep them working. They need to move around, what we call recurrent expenditure.
However, President Ruto may also have contributed to